Doing this got me a lot of money, and you can do the same. This strategy works for anyone, you just have to follow. Hit that subscribe button for more, and let's get started. So first of all, guys, I want you to go and connect to this website, which is called CPAGrip.com. And CPA is a place where you can find certain CPA offers for yourself. Now, basically what CPA stands for, it's cost per action. So whenever someone makes an action, and the most popular way is for someone to enter in their email address, and whenever someone does that, you will gain some money from it. You will have a lot of money, you will have a lot of leads on that, and you will get a lot of profits in a short amount of time. And what I like about CPA Grip is that they've got fast payments, and you don't have to wait for anything or anyone. They will happily give you the money right away to your PayPal account or whatever you choose. It's very simple, very easy to use, and I'm going to show you how you can make this strategy work for you wherever you live without any investment from your side. So first of all, we just need to have an account here. You can just click here on register button, and it will immediately lead you to this page where you will make yourself a new account. Just complete this simple information about yourself, and this you have to select. You have to select this GPT because that's what it's needed to work. Complete this other simple information about yourself and click on register now button. Now, once you will come here, you will see that you have to verify your email address, and this chat window says it all, really. You can see that this guy earned $13,000 all time with 5.8 thousand leads. So he was a hard worker. He invested his time only into this and got a lot of money in return. So for example, you can see how much someone earned today. So that's $31 for him today. Now that's a lot of money, don't you think so? $31, and he only do a few clicks with a mouse. This guy made $43, almost $44 today. So that's a lot of money. You can see that you can get a lot of money here. Now let me just show you how you can do it. Now, if you click here on Offer Tools and then you go on My Offers, you will see that there are a lot of these offers which require of certain people to just come in and just enter in their email, and then you will get this amount of money. So you can get $2 for just getting an email from someone. And someone is gonna think that they're gonna get this 750 PayPal gift card now, and they will enter in their email address for a chance to win, or mobile number for that matter. It doesn't matter, mobile number or enter in your email, whatever, you get $2 for each person. Now that might not sound like much, but guys, $2 times maybe 15 persons does that today, so that's $30 for yourself on only one offer. So that's only one offer, and you can do 2 or 3 or 4, whatever your time allows you. This goes in a way, the more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get. So for example, if you just click on this, you will here see that you have this special link of yours, and you will make that link look nice with the help of other software that I'm about to show you. Now, this is Cartridge.com, and it will help you to make that link look nice. You can make a Cartridge page, you can make this Cartridge lead, you can do everything here so your link looks nice and attractive so people want to actually click on it. If you click here to see Cartridge in action, you will see that they make all of these websites, all of these leads. You can make a whole website on Cartridge, and they will do everything for you. You don't have to do anything, and Cartridge is gonna do it for you. Now, all that you basically have to do is to find some traffic for your link. So this is BitShoot, for example. This is a new video platform, and it has a lot of traffic recently on it. So this is your traffic source, which is gonna help you make that money easily. You can see on SimilarWeb that this website gets 36 million users worldwide on a monthly basis, and a lot of those are coming from the United States. So actually 44% is coming from the United States. So that's a good information for us, because that's where we want our traffic to come from. So 36 million users per month. People come here and watch different videos, and they do the stuff just like they do on YouTube. And for start, you will just have to register here, make yourself a new account by entering in your username, your email address, password, and just click on create account. And now you can just start posting those videos here on this platform, which is gonna contain your special affiliate link. You will get that link from cpagrip.com, or you can even go on offerwall.com. This is the same place. It's similar, very similar. There are certain offers here which you can take advantage of, and you can share them to people so they enter in their email address or a phone number and you get a commission. Whichever one you choose, we are ready for the next step. Next step is actually making that video. So you can go on lumen5.com and you can make yourself an account here as well, and they will make a video for you based on the words that you put into it. So you can go and find certain article on the web and you can put it in here and they will make a video about that. So you can just go and make a video about PayPal or something, and in the end you will include your affiliate link, which people are gonna click on, enter in their email address or a phone number, and that way you get a commission. One more way in which you can get this traffic is if you go on reddit.com, and here you can just type in, for example, PayPal gift cards, and you will find that people are actually searching for those, or some other people are providing people with this. And just look at this free PayPal gift card giveaway. This guy is doing the exact same thing that you can do. He put a post here and he made this title here very inviting, very attractive. So whenever someone comes, they will come here and they will find his affiliate link into this. As you can see, this is their affiliate link, and people come here, a lot of people have seen this post, 29 even commented, and we can only imagine how many of these guys have actually clicked on it, entered in their email address. You can see here, please enter your email below and we will contact you if you win. So you can do the exact same thing. You can even copy and paste all this text here, just change the amount and go on Reddit and use the traffic that the Reddit has. So for example, if we click here on this one, we will be able to see the same thing as CPA Grip offers us. It's really a viable strategy, it's really good one, and it's profitable as hell. A lot of other people are doing that as well, so you can do the same thing and get some money for yourself. A lot of money is in here, guys. A lot of money is in this game, so don't miss this opportunity for yourself. And there are so many of these offers that you can make easily $100 per day, and one day you can be as these guys, as this guy earned $8,000, this guy earned 31 today only, and the list goes on. 21,000 for this guy, 122,000 for this guy. This guy killed the game, really. He got a lot of money, so you can do the same. This actually shows us that everyone could do it. Go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.